Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. Today I'm looking at New Balance 574, which also happens to be my favorite New Balance model. And on the front here, you can see all the information about this shoe. I got it in a US 11. And I'm gonna say that straight away. Go with the true to size. This shoe fits perfect. It fits really good with the true to size. So go with the true to size. Amazing feeling, amazing look. So, like I mentioned, 574 is my favorite model out of all of the New Balance. It's one of my favorites out of all of the New Balance models. It's a classic look. It will look good no matter what you're doing, whatever occasion you're at. It's a classic retro. It's an old school shoe and I really like it. This 574 right here it was released in two different versions. This one and then a sports pack, and it's called Peaks to the Streets. And what New Balance is saying is that it's their way of celebrating the joy of exploration, and that's what they're saying. And this model right here, I saw it and I was like, this is really fresh, so I gotta go grab this shoe. So why not start talking about it straight away? The toe box, we have all these small dots, a little bit of ventilation, and then nubuck around it. Going up, we have flat, what should I say, cream white laces, and then with a pretty sturdy tongue. It feels good, great quality as always. You know, New Balance always has great quality. And then moving up, we have the tab, the logo with the New Balance, and then 574 with, it looks like a hard floor back, kind of like on a basketball court a little bit. Looks really good, blends in perfectly with the rest of everything else. Subtle tones, nice clean look. And then looking at the side, the entire upper of this shoe is suede nubuck, and then a little bit of leather as well. It is super soft, and the only negative thing about suede and nubuck is that it is a little bit harder to clean compared to if everything was just like leather. But for me, if you want to look good, you want to look good. That's the same thing like with Chelsea boots and stuff like that. I would rather go with the suede versions compared to the all leather ones. I don't know, because I think it looks better, and I think this one looks really good. So we have the big N in the middle. This one is reflective as well. I noticed that. Looks really good in leather. And what they always have here is they always have a two-layer part of the N. You have the back, and then you have the end that it's cut out a little bit on the edges. So it creates a little bit an additional depth to the shoe. I think that's a really cool thing on the shoe. And then, as I mentioned, suede nubuck all the way around it. Great quality as always. Let's see here on the inner side, it looks the same. And talking about the midsole, New Balance uses end cap, and it's not as comfortable as a Ultra Boost, but that's not the way of this shoe, and it's not the way it's supposed to be. This is still a super comfortable shoe, which I really adore. I really like it. It is a comfortable shoe. It is a great shoe to have on feet. Only thumbs up. Excuse me. So let's see here. No, nothing else over here. If you're looking at the back, one thing that I noticed first of all is one thing that separates this shoe a little bit. You have the upper parts right here, you have two different colors. And I would want to say that, let me do like this, so I'm gonna have it. So the left shoe has a light turquoise color, and then the red one, the right one has a light red. But let's see here. I'm gonna look at my computer and see, because on New Balance website, they say that the left foot has a light blue. I can agree with that. And then this one has a dusted peach. And that kind of works, right? A dusted peach. I would never say on the top of my head, this is a dusted peach colorway. This is a dusted peach color right here. Do you agree with that? No, maybe, I don't know. Kind of looks like that. It's just a sidetrack because I was looking through the New Balance website just to see what they wrote about the shoe before I started talking about it. And with this dusted peach, I agree, it looks dusted peach, but I would never think about it myself. Anyways, at the back as well right here, continuation with suede nubuck. And then at the back right here, we have the strengthening parts of this hard plastic. It's a part to create even more, otherwise this would be too loose. So if you're running or whatever you're doing, you want to have that stability at the back. And that's what makes it an even better shoe if you want to go out running. And that's it on the back. Yes, of course, it says New Balance at the top as well. Let's see here. So that is everything on the sides. And then taking a look on the inside, the dusted peach on this one. And then light blue inner sock liner. It says New Balance on both of them. You can see what it looks like right here. And this is very, very vivid, almost kind of like green screen color to it. And on the inside, nothing super special. The information label is placed underneath the tongue at the middle part. Put this one back for now. And this is a shoe that it feels really good. It's actually one of the shoes that I think fits best on my foot because it's not the most flexible, it's not the most this or that, but it just grips around your foot in an excellent way. And that's one of the reasons why I tend to go with New Balance once in a while, because they feel so great on foot, and then they last you a long time as well because everything is great quality. So yeah, that's it on that. Taking a look underneath the shoe, we have a classic New Balance outsole. It says New Balance at the back, and it is in a gray colorway. I mean a gray color. So I believe that is about it on this shoe, that I've covered almost everything. Yeah, I think I've covered everything here. You want to see what it looks like on feet? Let's go. Back. What do you guys think about this shoe on feet? What kind of parts do you like about it? What kind of parts don't you like about it? I like everything about it except one thing. I like it, but I know people's gonna say, hey, but that's the reason why you probably got this shoe. But I like this colorway, this nice subtle look of everything. I would kind of want this here to be even more subtle. I know, blasphemy. But this is, I like it. It kicks out, it stands out a little bit, but maybe, I don't know. I haven't really walked around with them that much, but that's probably one of the things that I would want to change maybe a little bit just to see what it looks like. If this was even more like a grayish tone or something, then this would be a super subtle shoe. Other than that, excellent shoe. Go with your true to size. Love it. Did you guys grab this one or the Sport? Leave a comment down below if you did. Leave a comment down below if you want to talk about this or anything other sneaker related. I'm here for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here to subscribe. So you're not gonna miss any new videos. And also press that little bell button, because once in a while YouTube tends not to send out notifications. So press that one and you will get notifications every time I make a new video. And click right here for more sneaker related videos. So thanks you guys for watching. You're awesome. Stay safe. Take care. I'll see you very soon again. Take care.